I'm Nani Razon. I'm the CEO of Genesis Digital Trading. Actually, sobrang ganda ng nangyari right now because we launched a new community sa e-commerce, which is the Ecom Tribe. So, it's a collaboration. This event is a collaboration with IAM Plus. So, we're very excited kasi e-commerce right now is thriving and lumalaki talaga siya. So, we need a proper entity or community na may paglalagyan lahat ng mga nagsosolo or nag-i-start na mag-e-commerce sa Pilipinas. So, we're inviting you to join our movement. Marami pang mangyayari and excited kami sa lahat ng mga trainings from personal development, sa mga tech, sa mga new tools, and of course, sa pagpapalago pa ng e-commerce business natin. So, we don't have any choice kundi e-com ang magiging future and it's happening right now, so join us. Pwede niyong i-add si Miss Diane Michel. So, or just add me on Facebook, Nani Razon, and then message me. Ako mismo sasagot sa inyo. If you want to have a thriving, sustainable, and stable business, and if you want to start or the e-commerce, your e-commerce journey, or do you want to digitalize your existing business right now, pwede kayo sumama sa amin kasi we can help you to grow your business and expand it even further. Expected namin is 100 attendees lang, but right now, almost 300 kami ngayon. And I'm very happy and sa support na binigay ng community. And alam ko na mas marami pa tayong event. And my dream is mapuno natin ang stadium para magkaroon ng mga forums and summit about e-commerce. Thank you guys, thank you. TNC, the best, and actually aligned sila sa gusto naming mangyari. And thank you, Ma'am Apple, for giving me the opportunity to share what is happening in the e-commerce community right now. Thank you, TNC!